Hey guys, good morning. Dave Santarelli from Breaking Chart Alerts. Can everyone hear me? Awesome. Thank you, Skyjack Tyler. Hope everyone had a great night, a great day yesterday. Good morning, Azaria. Good morning, Zach. Good morning, guys. Alrighty, so first off, let's go over some of our current positions. Delta Airlines got a nice little pop this morning. Not doing too much. I love that trade. We have the June 18th 45 strike call. Okay, so going to be holding on to that for a bit. That's a decent sized trade there, about 9,000. Okay, next one. Let's see here. FedEx. FedEx getting in a little climb today, up 0.35%. I like that. We got to watch. It's got consolidation up to 297.50. We break that 297.50, she's going to be running higher. Okay, Moderna. Moderna, pretty flat for the day, not doing much, down a penny. We'll come back to that one. I have a Netflix trade here. That one's not doing too much. We got a nice little pop this morning. I want to see that break that 10 and 20. That's not Netflix there. I'm looking at it. I'm like, that didn't look like Netflix this morning. Alrighty, so here what we got going on. Just want to see Netflix really break above that 50-day simple moving average 501. December 18th expo is fine with that. The big one for today we got to keep our eye on is Amazon. Amazon's holding that 50 really well. It's at, 31.92.50 here in pre-market. Want to see that take off today. If it doesn't, we're going to be out of that by the time the morning session is over with. And then our Pfizer trade in our trade challenge account, it's holding that area pretty well. I like the looks of it. Not worried about Pfizer. Now today, guys, it's Day Trade Friday, so I want to find some good day trade opportunities. If you guys in the trade room or you guys on YouTube see anything moving there, you see any breaking news down here on our news feed, just let us know and we'll take a look at it and see if we can make some trades on it. Good morning, Ray. Good morning, Paula. Hope everyone's having a good morning. What time is it here? 9:27, 3 minutes till open. You guys see anything in the pre-market that you guys like? I saw Micron was taking off this morning when I was looking. Micron's got a nice breakout there. I was thinking about possibly doing something with Micron. Would love to see Delta take off today. Let's see what Qs are doing. Oh yes, DocuSign. They had a great report, Q3 earnings. We could possibly look at that for a day trade. We'll see what the option premiums look like. They had great Q3 results. I remember talking to you guys about that. Wanted to get in, but wasn't confident on the on that earnings there. We'll take a look at Docu. Let me see, where is my pen? We'll keep a look at Docu, Micron, Amazon, and whatever else we come across here. Embraer's up another 3%. ERJ, we were talking about that one yesterday. Another nice climb on Embraer. I was thinking about jumping in. If you look at that chart here, I mean, this is a good, easy $20 stock. We could jump into that and do a little bit longer term trade there, maybe next year. I think Pfizer, A. Smith, I think Pfizer's going to get a pop once they get their FDA approval next week there. I don't think they're going to do much until then. Let's see, Starbucks. Starbucks has a nice little pop there. Are people going to be, I don't know, do you guys still go out and get your coffee and everything at Starbucks? Or are you guys like a little bit worried about these COVID cases climbing? I want to know if there's anyone that's stopping their normal routines, like going to Starbucks, whatnot. I stopped going to Starbucks. Going through the treatments, I said, better not take the risk. Let's see, space. Space not doing much. I like that. Let's see, Boeing. Boeing's pretty flat. Here we go, 930s here. Let's put on Q's. See how we do here today, team. Q's pulling back a little bit here. U.S. adds just 245,000 jobs in November, missing expectations by 44%. It's a big miss. I'm watching Amazon side by side here, seeing what I'm going to do with Amazon. Guys, you guys still have our Carnival Cruise Line spread for January, don't you? What do we have? The 15, 17, 15 vertical spread? I'm watching Q's and Amazon right now because we have that Amazon that's expiring today. Let's see, Dow up 71, NASDAQ up 7. Pulling back. Qs are pulling back heavily, guys. That's why we're seeing tech pull back a bit here. Take a look at Qs. See if she could hold that 20. Looking like we're going to have a choppy day. I like that for your day trading.
Dow Jones Industrial average up 0.3% at the open. S&P plus 0.3%, NASDAQ up plus 0.2%.
I'm watching Qs here. It's going to be important if we hold that 1020. There's a nice little spike on Amazon there.
ADIL, Dow Pharmaceuticals lead drug candidate AD04 for the treatment of alcohol use disorder featured in follow-up TV news story. That's Alpha Delta India Lima.
FedEx and Delta trades looking good today. Up $300 on those. Gotta watch Qs here. Decide what we're gonna do with our Amazon. That's most important right now is managing your positions.
Here, $2.04.
Want to manage those current positions we're in.
For Alpha Delta India Lima.
Delta FedEx trades looking great. Amazon Q's just trading side by side here. Pfizer starting to climb a bit. Pfizer's taking off a bit there. Back up to 40.25. Qs are continuing to pull back. Want to see Qs hold this area. Let's see, John said SPG. I'll take a look at those quick, but want to manage that Amazon trade. SPG is looking good there. Let's see, 6-month daily. That's a nice breakout, John. Not bad. That's something I'd get like the summertime of next year, June 2021. That'd be a great expiration for SPG.
WBA, Walgreens, CNBC's David Faber says he knows nothing going on with Walgreens. That's WBA.
Deere not doing too much. See what Docu's doing. DocuSign's still climbing. Anyone jump in DocuSign? That's a nice swing trade on DocuSign. Might do something with that in the afternoon. I'm watching Qs here. What are we, about 7 minutes in? There goes Q's wanting to climb here. Let's see if we get that 10-20 cross, start to move higher, break that 304.50 and run for the day here. And that'd be a nice breakout to enter. Guys, our Pfizer trade's almost green again. Pfizer's still taking off there. There goes Q's. Let's see that breakout. Guys, Delta's still on the climb.
Coming up at 10, factory orders month-over-month for October, plus 0.8%.
Delta's having a nice little breakout there. Let's see FedEx. Qs are starting to climb here. There's that 10-20 cross. Would like to get in 2-3 good day trades today. Make a quick couple grand. Watching Amazon closely up above. How about this, Ephraim? Remember we got into a GE trade? I just had another member message me, said, "Oh my God, Dave, the GE trade was just about worthless. Now he's up 117% on those GE calls that we got for the 2022 Expo." Yeah, I wish I held on to that one. Calling, especially if you got earlier back in March, April, May. Dow's up about 108. Nasdaq's up 20. Not too much happening just yet. See what DocuSign's doing. DocuSign's flattening out there.
BCRX, BioChrist, shares moving here. 621, BioChrist up 21% now. Bravo Charlie Romeo X-ray. Company getting FDA approval for their oral treatment for inherited swelling disorder. That's BCRX, Bravo Charlie Romeo X-ray.
So what we're looking for with Qs, obviously, you guys could see. Let me... So now when we zoom in here on the Q chart, obviously we're in breakout momentum on Qs. What I'm looking for specifically is... It's a horrible box there, but I'm looking for a breakout right above this consolidation box. As you guys see, it's been consolidating. So just waiting, watching, looking for a breakout there. There goes Delta taking off again. There goes Q's taking off now. So once we could break that consolidation there, I think we're going to have a nice breakout. If you take a look at Qs today, 1 minute chart here, trading between that 10, 20, 50 right now. We're getting a squeeze between the 10-day simple moving average and the red 50-day simple moving average. Get a breakout above that, and we start that breakout momentum phase here. We should be pretty good. Delta's got a nice climb back up to 43.33.
Shares of Chewy spiking to the high, 74.64. CHWY Chewy.
There goes Q's breaking out. Amazon starting its breakout here as well. Nice climb here on Q's, guys. I'm watching Facebook up above too. Excuse me. Amazon's having a nice breakout there, guys. Let's see if it holds. I'm watching Q's.
CNA World, in response to Warner Brothers' move, says believes that at such time Warner Brothers to look to reach a deal about proper window terms that will work for both. That's letter T.
Ray, what are some trades you're in now? Nice little breakout here.
You are listening to Benzinger Pro's real-time squawk feed. If you have any questions, please email VIPaccounts@benzinger.com. That's VIPaccounts@benzinger.com.
Starbucks is looking pretty good there, AJ. Not too bad. Raymond James maintains strong buy on Dollar General, raises price target at 250. CDG here. Not a bad setup to go long to 220. It's actually not too bad at all there. Watching Amazon still. Amazon on the today 1 minute just failed at the 20. Consolidating. Let's see if it breaks above it here. I love trading Amazon. Day trading Amazon is a quick couple thousand if you get the right setup.
IRWD, Ironwood Pharmaceuticals. Hearing some.
There we go. Nice breakout on Amazon. Qs are climbing, guys.
Said to be Ironwood Pharmaceuticals. It's India Romeo Whiskey Delta.
Qs are taking off now. They're in breakout momentum, as you guys can see here. Here was your 1020 cross. Here was the MACD cross. Check
IRWD.
1. Check 2. First candle above 1020 SMA. Check 3. Got a nice green histogram here above the 0 line. Looking good on Qs. Qs looks ready to run. Choppy markets though, not much going on, so don't trust factor on this breakout here isn't that great. But nice run. Amazon's climbing. Let's see if we can make a day trade on Amazon. Qs are running again. Dow's up about 136.
Shares of Ironwood spiking to $12.19 at the high.
Just about all tech is moving pretty good here with Q's breaking out. Let's see what Microsoft's doing there, Colin. Look at how perfect this chart looks like Q's. Look at how you just got that yellow 10 crossing above that red 50. And then look at Q's here. Same exact thing going on. Said space is taking off. Let's see space. Not bad. Watch for a break that 2870. Like I said, I'm not trusting this breakout just yet. It's been pretty choppy. About 20 minutes into the trading day. Start looking for those day trades here. Qs just continue to climb.
Netflix making a climb.
Netflix. Let's take a look. Netflix having a nice breakout there. Good catch on Netflix. Let's see what our Netflix trade's doing here. Wow, quick $310 gain on the Netflix trade. Nice. FedEx is taking off here too. I think Netflix is going to be a nice one there. Should be adding to it, really. 1020 cross, holding, looking good. See where it is by the end of the day. Maybe I'll add to the Netflix trade. I only got 3,000 in Netflix right now. Nice breakout on Netflix, though. Look at that breakout. Now, if Amazon could do the same thing here, I'd be pretty happy. Look at that breakout. We're in the Netflix December 18th, 5:05 call. I'm watching Qs. They're starting to consolidate a little bit there. There we go. Let's see Qs break that 305. That'd be nice. Delta starting to climb a bit. Let's see. There we go. There's another climb coming. Qs are ripping higher there. Nice climb on Qs. Nice climb on Netflix, guys. If you're not in the Netflix trade, good time to enter. Man, Qs keep climbing, but Amazon is not doing a damn thing. Nice breakout on Qs, guys. Big breakout.
Facebook's breaking out too.
What's that? What'd you say, Facebook?
Yeah, it's breaking out too.
Let's see here. We could possibly do a day trade on Facebook. I like this better, though, for a swing trade. I like how it retraced down to that 10. You saw how we had that nice breakout, retraced down to support at that 10 at 280. It's holding that 280 support, which goes all the way back to, mid-October there. Not too bad. So I like that retracement. This can I set up for next week. Let's see what the option chain looks like.
I have the 285 for January 15th.
285. What'd you pay for that?
Look back here. I paid $13.
$13. So you're down about 40 cents on it.
Yeah.
It's not a bad one.
January 15th, I think. Some big options guys put a big number on January 15th. So it's like I'll bet with them.
Yeah, there's quite a few contracts out there. That starts to break out. I might put a couple thousand on that. That's a nice setup there. I'm watching Amazon. I love day trading Amazon. Waiting for that to start to move here. She's finally getting above the 1020. Once that starts to break out, she has big candles. Easy, quick money in a couple of minutes. Qs are still taking off here. Watching Qs, it's consolidating right at 305. Got some resistance at 305 on Qs. If you guys see Qs here. Just a big consolidation since about 947. Delta's starting to climb again too.
FSLY Fastly. Shares hitting a high of 85.59 now, up about 3.5%.
Moderna looks like it wants to run here too.
$80 call sweeps in FSLY.
Waiting for that to break
Fastly.
155.
Street Insider reporting that Cisco is possibly looking at FSLY as a target from Street Insider.
FSLY, guys, there you go. There's some news. Cisco looking to buy FSLY. We could do a quick day trade on that if we wanted to. Let's see what they're going for. FSLY, I'm putting that in on the option chain. Let's see. Call. December 4th Expo. 86 going for about $1.55.
Now seeing weekly 84.5 call sweeps in Fastly, FSLY.
Okay, I made a quick trade on that, guys. I picked up the, I'll post that in the trade room here. Here's our first day trade of the day. Just picked up this on that news for a day trade here. Picked up the Fastly December 4th 86 strike execution at 155. Guys, already up 15% on that Fastly trade. Huge breakout on Fastly. Love that. Got in at $1.55. She's already at $1.85. That looks nice for a swing trade as well. There goes Moderna starting to climb. There she goes again, Fastly. Let's see that breakout again. Wow, big breakout on Amazon there. There goes Moderna.
Coming up, factory orders. 1%. The estimate was 0.8% on factory orders. And durables ex defense month over month plus 0.2% versus plus 0.2% last month.
There we go. She's breaking out again. Nice breakout. See, continue. Qs are still holding and running higher here. Let's see. They're still holding that 10. Probably going to exit soon if we don't get that breakout. All right, I exit out of that day trade at $1 on Fastly. Wasn't happy with how it's pulling back below the 10. Netflix, FedEx looking good. Moderna climbing a little bit there. Let's see, you guys are saying Intel and Microsoft are still running. Let's take a look. Intel's looking great. Man, I wish I held on to those Intel calls. Are any of you guys still in the regular Intel calls that we picked up, or did you guys sell with us? I was thinking about jumping back in looking for that 55 target. Sold out of those. Let's see. Microsoft. Microsoft on a daily chart doesn't look too bad there. Amazon's trying to break out here. She's just trying now. That Fastly was very disappointing. There we go, Amazon. Fastly's back at the highs of the days now. What do you have on Boeing there, Tyler? Our trade's only down about 20% on Boeing for the December 18th. Remember what you're looking for with those trades. We'll definitely be getting a stimulus by then. Yeah, Boeing December 18th 240 call. It's looking good. It's not below the previous scandal's body. Looking good there. Qs are running again. That Fastly trade, what's that at now? Should have held on to that a little longer. She's back at $1.65. Ah. Doug, I'm waiting for Amazon. That's my baby. She's easy to day trade because usually you get institutional funds buying Amazon shares. So when she starts to run, she has a nice run. With options, it's pretty easy. Make a quick day trade.
YQ, Yankee Quebec IPO, indicating $11.16 on 514,000 shares. That's YQ. YQ priced at $10.50, indicating $11.16 now. That's Yankee Quebec.
There goes Amazon. Let's see if she can start that breakout.
Education and Technology Group.
Man, guys, I'm so pissed off with that damn Fastly trade. Would have had a profit on that. I sold that for about a $500 loss. If I held on to it, I'd be in the green right now. Tyler stayed in it. Nice job, Tyler. Should have stayed in myself, but... Square. Square's a tough one to get into. I like PayPal better than Square. But Square is looking good. Nice breakout there. It's holding that 10 really nicely, looking for that next run. Pretty boring day so far. Let's see here, Microsoft. Let's see if that's moving. That's going to be hitting record highs just about every day now. SPY. Yeah, she's in breakout momentum, so we should be seeing new highs on SPY daily here. Should just start trading some SPY calls. Nice breakout on Fastly there. My God, she's at $1.95 now already. There's those Fastly calls that we picked up. The 86 now, 175 by $2. Would have been up $600 on that if I held. Fastly still going. 190 by 2. I'm waiting for that Amazon to break that 3187.50. There goes Fastly again. Look at that breakout on Fastly. Sold right here, right at that low, that pullback. Should have used that 50 here as my support, what it's been using.
White House Economic Advisor Kudlow says Trump in favor of new assistance package.
My Netflix was down $11,000 yesterday. Now it's positive today.
What's that one?
My Netflix was down 11 grand yesterday, and now it's positive today. So.
Let's see what I'm. Oh, look at that candle on Netflix. Let's see what I'm up on Netflix. I think I'm probably still going to be down on it. I'm down. I'm up $600 on it for the day, but down 200 overall. I'm down 8% on it still. I think that's going to come back nicely, though. We should see that green by the end of the day. There she goes. She might be green now. Now only down 4%, up 700 for the day on that one. Not bad. I want to see Moderna start to move, though. Moderna, Boeing, and Delta.
That news for Boeing going to slow it down.
Yeah.
We would have seen a good pop if that news didn't come out today.
I agree with you. Let's see. What do we want to do with Boeing? It's only down about 1%. I really don't think that's too bothersome there. December 18th Expo, though. Man, it's still 2 weeks. I feel fine with that, especially if we get that 8. If we get that stimulus bill passed, Markets are going to have a nice pop there. Don't want to miss out on that. Looking for some day trades. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 charts pulled up here, and it's just really sloppy trading. Just sideways candles here. Intel was okay. Microsoft wasn't bad, but you know, I mean, all that time there just for a 25-cent climb and a pullback. Let's see, Facebook. Facebook even retraced there. That's why I didn't want to get into it before. I really want to see it start that breakout. The Qs are going to tell us if the market's going to have a big move, so that's why I'm really watching the Qs here. Amazon even pulled back down to that 10. She's at the 10 now, trying to break above it between the 20 and 10. Let's see here, Netflix. It's not even doing much here. Let's see what FedEx is doing. Three-month daily still looks good. Waiting for that next breakout on FedEx. Amazon had a big red candle there with Qs. So here's Qs today, 1 minute. Seeing that pullback there. Now see that candle right there on Qs. Watch what happened to Amazon on that candle. Look at that candle. It's just going to show you got to watch the markets right now. Qs, Diamond, SPY, and then any type of breaking news. If there's no breaking news, sit back. Don't be trading. That Fastly trade we got into, that was breaking news there. I should have held on to that a little bit longer. Would have had a quick $700 gain. But instead I took it a loss, what, $500? I think I'm gonna sell out of this Amazon spread now. 32.20, 32.25. Let's see, Amazon look like it has any hope for a 40-point climb today. Just getting a little climb there. I'm watching another screen. 31.80.
VLDR, Velodyne, LiDAR, June 30 call sweeps in VLDR.
She's still climbing though. Let me see what she does here.
Shares of VLDR off the highs now, 1656, up about 10.5% for VLDR.
If she doesn't, rather get rid of that. I could day trade it. It's open. Get down to 40.
because people want to play together, they love knowing the basic rules of the game, and they want to engage with their kids, they want to engage as adults, preschoolers together. So every category of
Oh,
games
there we go. That executed. Let me share with you. Amazon spread. We're out Efren 40 cents.
everybody's looking for a way to make those connections. It's really sort of pure to our mantra of being a play and entertainment company. The categories that we participate in are seeing incredible tailwinds. Entertainment, people consuming more entertainment. Gaming, people consuming more of our adult-oriented games like Magic the Gathering and Dungeons and Dragons. And then also our board game business, our face-to-face gaming business, where people are increasingly playing together, wanting to make connections.
Fastly's ready for another break out there. FedEx is starting to climb a little bit. Q's are just trading sideways just about. Gotta look for that news for that next run here.
We see across the industry, interestingly, and it's a great question, is that actually average price points for the toy business is going up. So people are buying bigger ticket items. They are buying those items that they can find online, that they can survey online, they see videos online. So a lot of our skills in building content for commerce are essential because people want those virtual shopping trips that they would have had in store. Those price points
Let's
are up.
see.
Slightly items are down, so you really are seeing people gravitate to those higher price points, those immersive, more immersive toy game experiences.
Let me link this to link one here.
We're seeing that across the board with brands like Nerf.
Let's go down the watch list here. We'll see if there's anything on it today. 1 minute that's starting to break out. We could day trade.
People are buying into those categories, and you're right. Those
Baba sideways. Google's trading sideways. Disney had a nice little climb today.
experiences across brands, and a lot of people connect to the different play experiences within those brands is quite compelling.
Twitter's looking pretty good. JP Morgan's looking nice. It's a nice day trade setup. Let's see what it looks like on a 3-month daily. Not too bad.
ABBV, AbbVie hitting new highs today. Alpha Bravo Bravo Victor 106.
AbbVie, that's our COVID test. Let's see here.
1.5% now on ABBV.
We could get into an AbbVie trade.
Report Aston Martin to have a battery electric car by 2025 or 2026.
What do you guys think? You want to do an AbbVie trade for January monthly expo? Extra TF says, what does Pfizer need to break out? Pfizer needs that FDA approval next week. Once that gets that FDA approval, I think Pfizer's going to have a nice lift. AbbVie's looking good for a swing trade, guys. What do you guys think about AbbVie?
Aston Martin trades as AMGBF in the U.S.
There goes Fastly again.
Kudlow says coronavirus pandemic could slow U.S. economy next year.
Oh, Kudlow's saying that the COVID could slow economy next year.
Recovery.
Not good news for the markets today.
Fox Business now.
Skyjack's up 148% on AbbVie. Skyjack, I was thinking about doing an AbbVie trade now. Matter of fact, I think I'm going to do it. Let me bring it up here. I'll make a small trade on it.
SHIP, Synergy, getting a pop here. Company out with a tweak. Dry bulk shipping upgraded to buy at J. Hanestall. That's SHIP, Sandy Hotel, India Papa.
Audiences and consumers and their new predilection to how they want things to pay, and then also try to support theater owners through a challenging period. I think some of that starts to shift again. We're starting to look out to 2022. We've seen a lot of films start. Transformers movie. We have two films coming in the fall. One in partnership with Paramount. Snake Eyes and then our own My Little Pony with a feature in the fall. And then we continue to look at how do you build those.
I'll pick up 10 contracts of VABV for the January 15th Expo, guys.
SEER, indicating 3705 now, San Diego Echo Romeo. Another IPO, SEER.
There we go. We are executed on AbbVie.
05.
That's a COVID play. That's a COVID play with the cases soaring here. So obviously, you guys just saw that. I'll post that in the trade room here.
Shares priced at $19 on SEER.
Now for our ETF spotlight, taking a look at the ARC Next Generation Income ETF, ticker ARKW.
Let's see here. Good thing we got rid of that Amazon trade. She just pulled back. She took a dump.
39%. PagerDuty is also part of this ETF. The software company surging this morning.
Boeing's starting to climb there nicely.
Quarterly loss, revenue coming in above Wall Street.
What is that noise? You guys hear that staticky noise?
And
That
CEO
buzzing noise?
PagerDuty will join us next hour on Squawk Alley. Spot on the street. We'll be right back.
Let's see.
ETF Spotlight is sponsored by Invesco. Let's invest in critical strategies together.
Shares of Tilray at the highs of the day now. TLRY, Tilray up 4%.
Tilray shares up 4%. They're going to be passing that medical marijuana. We should just get into it federally once Biden gets in office. Man, I got a head cold today or something. No tissues. I think we're going to see some good activity this afternoon for day trading. This morning is a pretty slow day. Not much going on. Delta's starting to climb a little bit.
HCCH, HL Acquisitions, received shareholder approval for business combination with Fusion Fuel Green. That's Hotel Charlie Charlie Hotel, HCCH.
Of all the companies on the Fortune 500 in the year 2000, more than half no longer exist. Digital transformation isn't just a good idea. It's a matter of corporate survival. Enterprise AI.
Man, not much action today. You guys see anything really moving, taking off? It's a really boring morning. Let's see. Quantum says ACB, Aurora Cannabis. That's looking pretty good. That had a nice climb today. That's a heck of a setup there for a swing trade, Aurora Cannabis. Not a bad setup there at all. Fastly's still on the climb, holding that 1020.
Jobs Friday for 2020. Obviously a disappointment this morning. We're going to talk about the number with Goldman's chief economist Jan Hatzius in a moment. Back in 2 minutes.
Shares of Synergy Maritime Holdings going next. Tweet from the company, spiking here about 51 cents now, up to about 7.5%. SHIP, Sandy Hotel India Papa.
Doug, I was thinking the same thing. Amazon looks like it's going to be going lower there. Puts could be a quick day trade there. I'm out of the spread on it, so I could look at some puts. The extrinsic value, though, is still so high since it's only about 10:30.
Popping here, 1596 the high, up 9%. Yankee Alpha Lima Alpha.
That Fastly is back at new highs of the day there. Now Amazon's starting to climb there, Doug. That's why I don't trust this market. You know, it's just back and forth so far this morning. I'd rather be out of a trade than jump into some losing trades. Once we get that move, though, you know, we're going to see that move and we can take advantage of it. Avilio, you're probably increasing the size of your trades. My issue is the same week's expo. Oh, okay. So, yeah, you're doing better with the longer term expos, I guess. Look at Fastly go. That Fastly 86 is now at 250 a contract. Oh. Should have just bought onto it and held onto it.
I'm Dominic Chu, and here is your CNBC News update at this hour. 2 U.S. Marshals have been wounded and a suspect was killed during a shootout in New York City. The suspect was Andre Sterling, who was wanted on several charges, including shooting a Massachusetts state trooper. Both marshals are expected to recover. Hyundai is recalling another 130,000 vehicles because of engine problems. The recall covers certain Santa Fe models, Velosters.
Nice, Tyler. Sold Fastly at 225. Nice job. She's still running. I was thinking about doing another trade on it. There goes Delta finally taking off, guys. Take a look at Delta. I'm watching all these charts here. I'm finally starting to see a little breakout coming. See if it holds.
Is rarer than a hole in one. Brendan Steele hitting an unbelievable 242-yard shot on a par 5 hole at the Mayakoba Golf Classic in Mexico. After a couple of bounces, as you can see there, it goes in for the albatross. Yes, that's a 2 on a par 5, 3 strokes under par. Congratulations, Brendan Steele. That is your CNBC News update for this hour. Carl, I will send things back over.
An albatross. Let's see. Qs are starting to climb. Good morning, Thomas. Man, we are not doing much yet. There goes Fastly again, guys.
What you see is what you get. We are seeing a slowdown. It's coming to a large extent in the sectors of the economy that are most virus sensitive, like retail, like restaurants. So I think it's confirming that the economy has been slowing sharply in the fourth quarter, and we're probably still in that process. And I think that's visible in the establishment survey with a lower than expected jobs gain. It's visible in the household survey where the decline in the unemployment rate was primarily due to lower labor force participation in household employment and consumer confidence. So I think it's pretty consistent with the idea that as we go into the winter, the virus numbers are taking a toll, and that probably also means
Look at Fastly go. Man, oh man, 260 now.
on the fiscal and on the monetary side, although
So upset I sold that so early.
especially into the spring, we're very much
Q's are starting to run, guys.
recovery.
Might be able to do a day trade on some Q calls.
Still a little bit of dry powder to pull out there.
Market's not, it's just trading sideways though. You know, it's not breaking that resistance of the day, not breaking below support of the day. It's just trading between support and resistance.
On what are you basing that? Is it simply the commentary gotten from leadership or something else?
It's basically that. So our expectation has been $700 billion deal after the inauguration.
Look at that Fastly go. 275 now.
But it sounds like there's a somewhat higher chance that things might already come together more quickly
Tyler, you're telling yourself. What about me?
a bit with
Man, 280 now.
900
I sold at that low there on Fastly.
under, and so it seems like they're not that far out
At least you took a profit.
area already.
If Amazon starts its climb there, I really want to do something with Amazon. Qs are looking good. Fastly's taking off.
I'm wondering how long you think it's going to take to get back to full employment, and what exactly full employment will be.
They're talking about when are we going to get back to full employment again? I don't think that's going to be for years.
We do think that it's going to take probably several years. I think that before we're back in the sort of sub 4% range that we had prior to the pandemic. For the end of next year, we're at about 5.25% for
Oh, look at that now. $3 on that 86 strike there, Tyler.
I can't help but think of the parallels between now and 2008. You had a new administration transitioning into office. November 2008, the unemployment rate was 6.
Colin, are you in Disney?
2020 unemployment rate 6.7%. Obviously, different timelines, different external forces. But Jan, do you think the slowness of the jobs recovery
Semper Fi's out of Fastly for 61%. Nice job.
Great Recession and say
Hell of a job there.
quickly, or do you think it's going to be quicker than that?
I think it's, well, it is, I think much quicker. The level of unemployment is the same, but the direction is different. Back then it was 6.7% on the way to 10% at the end of 2009. Now it's 6.7%. In our view, even with weaker numbers in the short term, to on the way to 5.25% by the end of next year. So I do think that the shape of the recovery is very different. This is much more V-shaped than the post-Great Recession recovery or the early 2000s recovery or the early 1990s recovery. So
Man, I wish there'd be something here nice before we get off the morning live. I'd love to make another day trade. They're probably going to be coming in the afternoon, though. I'd love to see some volatility in the afternoon.
Jan, as you're starting to assemble a look at what we're hearing from the incoming economic team, obviously discussion from Yellen about focus on employment, climate policy, all the Brian B's at the NEC, the prospect for higher taxation in the coming year or two. I wonder how you think that's going to affect net the economy.
Man, that buzzing noise. You guys don't hear that buzzing? Look at that 86 strike now at 320.
majority in the Senate, then I think you'll still get an economic
Love to get into Amazon. It's finally starting to break. I think I made you a quick day trade on Amazon. Let's see. Could trade that easily up to 3180, 3185. Okay, I just got into an Amazon day trade. I got the 3175 call at 1120. Just two contracts. Sharing that in the trade room there. Execution at 1120 contract. Qs are still taking off nicely. I'll see Q's have a nice breakout here. There we go. Let the general market follow it. Ephraim 1120. There's the limit price and then there's the entry price. We got in at 1120. Let me post that up here. There we go. There goes Amazon taking off nicely now. Here's the picture in the trade room here, guys. Let me post that in here. Guys, that Fastly trade's now at 370. Our AbbVie trades in the green. AbbVie, FedEx, Netflix, Amazon. Let's see Amazon start to climb now. That Fastly trade, man, I can't believe it. Cannot believe how much that's taken off.
We're talking a lot about supply chains when it comes to the vaccine, but how about demand for testing swabs? Hey, Rob was taking a look at that today. Mike,
Demand for testing swabs. Come on, Hughes, let's see that next move. Nice breakout on Amazon there. Qs are climbing nicely. Nice breakout. Nice breakout on Qs. Fastly is still on the run. That 86 call on Fastly is now at $4.10. Unbelievable.
And companies that work with ambulances and EMTs, how do you align your resources for what's to come in the coming weeks? Randy, I'll start with you.
You know, it's fair. And honestly, it's been a challenging year, and that's no big deal. Pfizer, we have its own area of subsidy, and all of our workforce, bridges workforce, tile workforce, are currently retired.
Amazon does not want to cooperate today.
The extra work that they have to do is far
Let's see, what are we at here?
both mentally and physically. They are terrible, and there's a shortage of providers. And so we all are trying to do everything we can to bring additional resources to the table from other caregivers, as well as bringing others into the industry. But it is a big challenge.
Richard, what is the toll that the longevity of this crisis is taking on your workers, and how hard is it to find workers to actually staff to meet this surge in demand?
It's hitting an all-time high turnover rate, and there's a huge shortage of paramedics nationwide, whether it be for the public fire departments or the private ambulance companies. It's an extreme problem right now. I've been in this business now 49 years. The most severe disaster we ever responded to was Hurricanes Katrina and Rita. This coronavirus has just been very difficult for us because we don't really know when it's going to end. We've been at this now for 9 months, and it puts an extreme stress on the medics. And I find a lot of our medics are taking early retirement because they're concerned about catching the dreaded disease. We have a severe problem here now in Louisiana because we're having
Dow's up 172.
hospitals and
Let's see if Q's could start to run again. Bring Amazon up with it.
we are forced to transport patients as far as 100 to 200 miles away from other hospitals that can take them, and it just seems to be continually be a problem. I know the vaccines will help. We just don't know when this will slow down. It seems to go up and then comes back down, and that just presents a lot of overtime for our people, and it just completely stresses them out, particularly when they go back home to their families and their families.
$9 is going to be my stop on the Amazon trade. If we drop below that.
Employees, how difficult is it right now to actually find people to fill these jobs to the extent that, as you said, people are choosing to retire or simply walk away because of the stress level?
Let's see if Q's are going to start to climb here off that 50.
We need to get more people involved in training our paramedics. It is a great job if you like to help your neighbor out. It takes a certain individual that wants to have the adrenaline to respond to a 911 call. This though has changed it. It's also causing problems that I think are going to be delayed to next year because many of our patients don't realize they're taken to the hospital and think that's where they'll even get sicker. So that people are having heart problems or having strokes. We have many problems trying to coach them into going to the hospital emergency, and they're not
Man, not much volatility today. I'm not liking that. Flat day. Not getting any good directions.
Randy, give me a sense or a snapshot of your business on the financial side here. One would expect that this is taking a significant strain on your business. Just, I would think, let alone the PPE that's going to require, but so many other things. Are you guys going to make it through financially this period?
We're going to get through. Obviously, we're a national business, and so we've had incredible stress in our local markets. Our volumes have been way down. As Richard indicated, the responses are up. There's 30% of the time we get a call that we want transported. So if you don't transport, you don't get reimbursement. So that on top of the PPE, the other, the additional costs, and it also takes a lot longer for a response because if you contaminate, there's a lot of extra, effort. So look, I think we will get through, but because of what we've been able to do with the federal government as well, with FEMA and with Homeland Security. But for the industry, for the small providers, it's incredibly challenging because they face the same issues but don't have other areas that they can generate.
Fastly starting to climb off that 20 again.
Here in Washington, there's been a messaging shift underway from a politically toxic push for funding for state and local governments to a potentially more palatable labeling of that as funding for police and fire resources and EMTs. You obviously get some funding from hospitals from insurance reimbursements as well, but
Guys, I'm out of Amazon at 850 a contract. Came down to support there. I didn't like that move. Out at 850. Not that much going on this morning, guys. Really not much going on. I think we'll see some more activity this afternoon, but now it's going into the lunch break here at 11. I don't think we're going to see too much moving. But I do definitely want to do some more day trading this afternoon here. I think we're going to find some good day trade setups this afternoon. So we'll be live again at about 2 o'clock. We'll look for some day trades. Let me see what I'm down today. Wasn't that great of a day. Let's see here. What's today's date? The 4th. So today took about a $3,800 hit. Most of that was from this Amazon spread right here. That's what we had the biggest hit on there. These other two, these were just day trades here, about $1,000 loss on those day trades I hit. That Fastly would have been a big gain there if I held on to that. But with that being said, let me show you guys what we're doing here for the week as well. So for the week, we are still looking really great for the week. Here's what we've done so far this week: 11:30 to 12:04, Monday to Friday. Monday to Friday. You know, we had our hit on our Amazon trade right here, you guys could see. And we had our hit on the Amazon day trade today. And then the Fastly trade. Those are the only 3 trades there. This is the vertical spread. So we had 3 losses this week and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 gains. So that's not a bad ratio there, but that's going to do it for us for this morning session here. We'll be live again in the afternoon at 2. We'll be looking for some more day trades. Hopefully the market gives us some volatility we can take advantage of. But let's see what we can do this afternoon, team. Hope everyone has a great day, all right? Stay safe and God bless. Bye-bye, guys.